But before that, let's take a step back and ask. Mama yako ananiambia lazima mambo ya sheria. Conflict yenye sisi tunaona ya the fruits law is full of
the people of Nyanza, the people of Kisumu proved the advisories wrong. They maintained the peace. They maintained the peace, and even after that, there was another advisory saying that after the Supreme Court ruling, there will be another violence. Again, the people of Kisumu demonstrated political maturity. So we are here today to thank the people of Kisumu, and we have taken them through lessons on conflict resolution.
Especially because it's the young people, the young women and the girls that are most affected, of course, with children when we have conflicts. So it's very important then that right now, as we lower down the tones of political tension that was there, and we engage communities, then that we get our minds back to economic empowerment and to stabilizing our families and communities, so that the young people that most of the time get involved and sometimes manipulated into political violence and such issues are actually now anchored on economic empowerment, so that they can generate their own income and be able to sustain themselves as a contribution to reducing and mitigating conflict within our communities.